MRP enhanced CDI for the 250. It's got an adjustable timing on it. And then we're also going to install an iridium spark plug along with the Extreme Performance MRP coil. So let's get started on that. I'll show you how to do it. On a GT150, your electronics are in this box here on the back. Right in here. Twister 250, it's in the black box right here. And on our Joyner, it's conveniently located right behind the passenger seat in this box here. Remove the black box, and then here's your CDI, and then here's your coil. This goes to your spark plug here. Now to change out the CDI, very simple. Unplug it, and it slides right out of the plastic holder. There's your old CDI. Take your new CDI, which is slightly larger. It's a little more of a fit in here, but it'll go. And then plug the new one in. And then put your rubber grommet back on there. And that's it. And as far as the coil, again, this coil is a lot larger for the 250 than the one that actually comes in it, but you just pull the one bolt out, put this back in, both your plugs, they're color coded, green, black, green and black, and then this goes to your spark plug.